Hello friends, welcome back to my channel again. Today I am here with a new off-campus recruitment from the Amdocs company. Amdocs is a very good big MNC company. So before I start this video, let me tell you that please apply Walmart off-campus drive. Today is the last date to apply for that off-campus drive. Tomorrow will be the online test. Okay, so last date to apply for Walmart off campus drive is 11th June. Okay, so today is 11th June, so please apply before that link get expire. Once that link get expired, then you can't apply for that off campus drive. And also apply Canter off campus drive. I have already posted video yesterday on my YouTube channel, you can check. Okay, so let us get started with this video. Amdocs is hiring for the TBO analyst, okay, for the batch 2021. This is non-engineering off-campus hiring. This off-campus drive is not for engineering candidates. Okay, so other degree candidates can apply for this position except engineering. Job position is TBO analyst. Okay, in one sentence, what is TBO analyst, or what TBO analyst role and responsibilities, what he does. Okay, so the role involves handling incidents and service requests from customers or end users by following the standard methods and procedures of the unit. What you need to do, suppose if you get select in the Amdocs company as a TBO analyst, what you need to do, once you get any request, suppose install this software, or suppose if any employee is getting any error, then you need to solve that within time. There is some specific time they will provide as per the, they have mentioned here, as per the standard methods and procedure. Okay, so based on that request, you need to prioritize that request, whether that request is a low or high priority, low priority, high priority, medium priority, or critical priority. Okay, so based on that priority, you need to give the priority to that request and you need to resolve it. Okay, so that is the basic thing that I told you. Okay, so all you need is 2021 batch candidate can apply, BSc candidate, BCS, BCA, and MSc candidate from computer and IT streams only. Okay, so 2021 batch BSc, BCS, BCA, MSc, CSIT candidate streams only apply. 50% throughout academics with no gaps or break year down. Okay, so minimum 50% required. Then you should have excellent communication skill. Job location is Pune. Okay, so what your job look like, you will perform ticket analysis, service interruption analysis, then triaging of issues and follow up with the relevant teams for the resolution. You will ensure that all required ticket information is available for further analysis, for example screenshot of the error and customer ID, and run methods and procedure to provide resolution to known or recurring issues. You will apply your skills to effectively use the existing knowledge base and documentation for the quick and win first level resolution. Okay, so within they have mentioned here, note this point, you will perform queue management for assigning tickets to other teams and follow for the timely resolution while keeping track of SLA. SLA means, as I earlier said, that they will suppose there is one employee in the company and he wants some software installation in his laptop, then you need to solve that request within suppose 30 minutes. So that 30 minutes is the SLA. Okay, SLA time limit. So I'm just giving you the basic information what you need to do. Okay, so keeping track of KPI. KPI means a small change in the company, you do a small change you do for a company. Okay, so let me tell you in the example, suppose if you order Dell laptop instead of Lenovo laptop, because Lenovo laptop delivery time is 3 months and Dell provide within 1 month, so you choose Dell. So what you can tell your manager or your HOD that sir, instead of ordering Lenovo laptops, we will order Dell laptops, because Dell laptop delivery is 1 month and Lenovo laptop delivery require 3 months. So we will order Dell laptops. Okay, so that is the change that you are doing, so that company will come in the profit. Okay, so I'm just giving you an example. Okay, so these this will be the roles and responsibilities. So who are we? They have provided company information about the Amdocs. Why you will love this job? You will get to show off your fine-tuned skills for resolving issues and helping the end user. You will be a key member of a goal dynamic and highly collaborative team with various possibilities for a personal and professional development. You will have the opportunity to work in a multinational environment and the global market team, market leader in its field. Okay, so perks and benefits you can check here. Treat yourself with a generous holidays gifts from Amdocs. Okay, access tons of complimentary learning and upskills program to stay on top of what's in your field. That is the main thing. Second point, you will get learning opportunities. Okay, so these are free, these are not paid. Okay, so no need to pay anything here. They will provide you the free learning. So you, what you can do, you can learn, you can complete the certification course, and internally in the Amdocs company itself you can internally change your job. Okay, so that for that it will be useful. Enjoy the generous paid paternal leave policy. Enjoy a wide range of fun company activities. Secure your and your family future with life and disability insurance. Take paid time off to volunteer for the causes that you are passionate about. Then explore internal mobility opportunities. Stay grounded with well-being and meditation courses, lectures, and development self-development tools. Okay, so the job location is Pune. So guys, please, this is a very good company. Okay, so please apply for this off campus drive. Don't miss this chance. You will get this link in the description box below, and click here to apply for this position. And please share this video with your friends as well, so that they will also apply for this off campus drive. And thank you so much for this for watching this video.